Let's go ahead and strip it back. Take your cladding, cleaving it to 13. Once you have it cleaned, use your chem wipes and clean it. Put your dust cover on. Put your VFL on. You're going to insert it through the V-notch to the inside, and when you make good contact, you should have light come all the way through your line. And you're going to slide that yellow piece forward, and it locks in place. You're going to slide your dust cover on, screw it back on. Then you'll take your green piece, just like Pre-Connect, slide it back on till it clicks.